To do well on the TOEP, you need to spend some time preparing. In the same way that a teacher needs to prepare for a class, you'll need to prepare for the TOEP. Don't just show up on the day of the test and make up a lesson during the exam, because that won't show what you're really capable of. International and Academic English provides support for current and prospective multilingual TAs. One way we support graduate students is with free workshops and seminars. These workshops and seminars cover a variety of topics. Some of them focus on language skills like pronunciation and grammar, while some of them address things like classroom culture, leading a discussion, making presentations, communicating with your students, and other topics relevant to multilingual TAs. You can go to our website to see a complete list of upcoming workshops and sign up to attend. Another resource is the IAE Language and Culture Coaching Program. Current and prospective TAs can meet with a language and culture coach to receive one-on-one lessons and work toward meeting specific goals they set with their coach. You can learn about U.S. culture, practice your pronunciation, get feedback on a lesson or presentation, practice for the TOEP, or work on something else that will help you have the skills and knowledge you need to be an effective TA.